Hello viewers, I am Dr. Sunita Sangwan, Assistant Professor, Botany, Higher Education Department, Haryana. Nowadays, due to pandemic of corona, all teaching and learning processes is going through online classes. Teachers are uploading videos on various channels like Google Classroom, YouTube and various other platforms. And teacher also assigning tests to their students through Google Classroom or by other platforms. This video will on how to upload an assignment on Google Classroom given by your teacher. When we open our Google Classroom, if our teacher assign us a test or an assignment, it will appear on the desktop or the front page of the Google Classroom. We will double click on the test that we want to attempt. Suppose here I want to attempt the test 1. So I will double click on the test 1. If I want to attempt the test 2, then I will double click on the test 2. Suppose I here double click on the test 1, then my test 1 opens with all details and attached file herewith. First, instructions will appear that your teacher will given you for attempting the test. Down to the instructions, the file will appear that may be PDF file, Word file or any image file in the form of which your teacher assigned you the work. At the bottom, you will see your work assigned and add or create button. If you have prepared your work already with you in form of any PDF file or any other format file, then how to upload that prepared work? Then double click on the add or create button. When we double click on the add or create button, then this dialog box will appear having many options like docs, slides, sheets, drawings, Google Drive, link and file. So we can upload our work in the desired format which we want to from all of these. Suppose I here have my work stored in my system in form of file. That file may be of PDF file, Word file or image file or any other format. Then if I have stored file in my system, then I will click on the file button. After clicking on the when I will click on the file button, this type of page will appear having the option insert file using options recent, upload and my drive. Then click on the upload. If you have recently uploaded dot file, then you will find those images in the recent option. Otherwise, click on the upload button. When we will click on the upload button, there is a browse button or a option drag a file here. Then you can upload your file by browsing or either dragging the file here. When we will click on the browse button, then options will appear here: camera, camcorder or documents. Then select the desired option which you want to. If you want to take image right now, then you click on the camera. If you want to take or making a video of anything, then click on the camcorder. Or if you have any stored document in your system or phone, then click on the document. When we will click on the document, these options will appear. These are the storage options in our phone. If you have the system, then this storage option appear in any other format. So this storage option vary from system to system and models of the phone, but these storage options will appear after clicking on the document. When I will click my file, here I will double click on the file manager as the file I want to upload is present in the file manager. When I will click on the file manager, these storage options appeared here. Then I will click on the documents. When I clicked on the document, these details of document will open along with their name. I prepared my uploading document with name 1sunita.pdf. Then I will double click on the document. Try to name your document by following your roll number by your name. First write your roll number if you are enrolled in a class, or registration number, followed by your name. It will be easy both of you and your teacher. Then click on the desired document which you want to upload. When we will click on the document, that uploading process is shown here. After that the document will upload, but still the work is assigned. Your work is not submitted because you do not click on the turn in button. So our work is completed when we will click on the turn in button. So double click on the turn in button to submit your uploaded file. When we click on the turn in button, then again a pop-up box will appear for the confirmation of turn in, that you are sure to turn in this file. If you are sure, then again click on the turn in button. When we again click on the turn in button, our work is turned in, and here in place of assigned, turned in is appears, so it shows that our work is submit. By chance if we submit a wrong file, then we also have option to unsubmit that file. Then click on the unsubmit button. If we click on the unsubmit button, again a box will appear for the confirmation of unsubmit. Then click on the unsubmit. When we click on the unsubmit, processing will appears and our work will unsubmit, and here is the button of turned in and assigned. It means our work is completely unsubmit. Then click on the cross button and upload a new file which you want to actually upload for the assigned work, and click on the turn in button again. Your work will be uploaded on your Google Classroom. Thank you.